Alright guys, well, welcome back to Half Fast 719. Got my sauna in, got a battery charging, got some ribs cooking, 2 racks of ribs. Whew. Anyway, working on the skid steer, just doing some little stuff that I know how to do. I already did it. I wasn't going to show you guys, but I replaced the hoses. So these hoses with some 1/2-inch hose. This hose is pretty soft. It's worn through quite a bit in various spots. It's like that's really gummy right here. This one is smashed right here. So this one, I believe, has the same wear mark there. Yeah. So it's only a matter of time before they blow. I just bought some 1/2-inch tubing, some AC Delco 1/2-inch per 50 feet. And then realized I have probably like 75 feet in the barn, a brand new Gates hose. So kind of a pain in the butt to do it. I didn't replace one piece, but I don't know how to get you in there, but basically you got 2 hoses in there that come off the heater core. I didn't replace the one on the right. The one on the right seems to be pretty good, pretty new. It's different. It's a different hose than that hose over there. Hose clamps, zip tie into these little fancy clip things. And then I'm assuming that's the route. So the one on the left is all the way up to the heater core. The one on the right goes to this weird little butt connector. It's almost like a check valve, I think, one way. And goes into the selector. And then they both run all the way to the engine. The hoses go there. They come up. They tie in. I got them ran up there. Up there, and then back to the engine. So one goes on the back of this, I'm assuming, a thermostat housing, and then the other one goes in here in the front. So back there was one of these style clips, a little crimp clips. This was a hose clamp, and then the one up on the heater core was a hose clamp. So now I'm just going to add coolant. I'm just using standard Prestone antifreeze, ready to use coolant. So don't know how much came out. I did reroute one of the hoses before, and some coolant came out. But figured I could do something to the skid steer since I can't do anything. At least once I might just have a guy come out and get it running, get it working. Just let him do what he's got to do to it. But just let it be known that everything's here. I think I said before, this was a water pump because the people did concrete. So they had a water pump here, water line going into there and all the way to the front. Anyway, So I'm gonna add coolant. This way it's not sitting empty or sitting with water. The coolant was pretty clean, came out of it. Anyway, so I'm gonna add some coolant to it, and I need to find some leaks in the hydraulic system. I don't know where it's leaking from, but I know fluid does not stay inside of it, and I don't know where it's going. But we have a lot of fluid on the ground. Anyway, all right, guys. That's just coolant. That's all hydraulic fluid. That's all I got for this video. Just wanted to update you guys, let you know that I didn't give up, didn't quit. I'm probably gonna put the Audi on jack stands next, get it up in the air, and I don't know, maybe start tearing it apart, but we'll see. Anyway, guys, hopefully we can get this thing going, but I gotta get the cab down. I just wanted to show you guys where all these lines were and go from there. But that's all I got. One day it'll be running, one day soon, hopefully. All right, guys, if you guys have any suggestions, I have a hydraulic leak. This all works now, up and down tilt. Problem is when I try to go in reverse or forward, it seems like only this drive is going forward and reverse. It seems like that is locked, and then in that control it seems real flimsy, whereas this control here seems a little more stiff. That one's like flops around, like as if I'm not getting hydraulic pressure to that side or something, or the hydraulic pressure shut off somehow. Anyway, guys, gonna drop the cab. See you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys check your hoses, change your hoses, trash. Later, guys.